Durable in different styles, HyperX PBT keycaps are made with thick walls and are resistant to wear, friction, and solvents. They're available in different color options to mix and match with various keyboard styles. Signature HyperX Shine-Through font. Our bold, wide font allows for more light to shine through, enhancing the visibility and legibility of the individual keys. Stylish keycap removal tool included. Our keycap removal tool is specially designed to precisely fit HyperX keycaps. Compatible with most HyperX mechanical gaming keyboards. The full key set is compatible with HyperX and most mechanical gaming keyboards. They complement the exposed LED design of HyperX mechanical key switches. Translucent design. The dual-layer design of these keycaps is designed to let more light through, making your keyboard's RGB lighting even more stunning. The dual-layer design of these keycaps is designed to let more light through, making your keyboard's RGB lighting even more stunning. Top reviews from the United States. Marshmallow Rainbow Keys. These keycaps are so nice, with my RGB. They look like little colorful marshmallow keys. The opaque white surrounding the key really absorbs light, so the keyboard not only is emitting light, but literally glowing. They feel really soft too.